Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you
Hello guys, I am Sia.
And I am Raghav.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो
Then do subscribe to Kiran-jeet Creativity and share with your friends.
और हाँ, एक लाइक भी करना और कमेंट सेक्शन में आप सभी के व्यू शेयर करना कि हम दोनों कैसे लग रहे हैं. Till then, bye guys. See you again in the next video.
Bye.